What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Last night I did a video and I said on it that Great Britain Pound USD, that USD will take charge of the market, but Great Britain Pound will have to push up first. You understand? But from my analysis, the place that I said Great Britain Pound is going to get to, Great Britain Pound has gotten there and it has passed the place. So as we speak now, for this week, this is my next analysis for today, tomorrow, within today and tomorrow. Maybe by the end of tomorrow, this market will be in this very point. It's going to be a buy market. You get it? But right now, because yesterday when I said your Great Britain Pound will go up and it will definitely reverse, you get it? I drew a candle line here and I put another stick here that is going to reverse, which is about to do now. So by tomorrow, should this market, as this market is right now, is still going up. You get it? USD strength is not really chitty bang bang right now. So I believe very soon this market will get to this very point, which is 1.3072. I believe the market will get to 1.3072 and reverse. So this is what I can see right here, right now. Get it? But US dollar is not really, it's not, it's getting weaker, it's getting fuller. But from what I can see here, US dollar would definitely reverse, but it's not an emergency reverse. You get it? It's not going to be an emergency reverse, but US dollar would definitely reverse from what I can see here. So here is what I would just say. If you want to trade, because let's just check some little things first. Let's check some few things as it is like this. Okay, when it goes to this place, let's see what's really giving euro the power as it is like this. Let me see. Okay. This tree. Okay, this tree is not enough. This one. Okay, as it is like this, from what I can see here right now, I could call it a wave. You get it? It's a wave, and what the wave is saying is that this market is definitely going to go down. You get it? It might not start immediately, but it's definitely going down. But the first, it have to hit somewhere here or get closer to this place. You get it? So this market is definitely going down. That's exactly what this market is going to do. It's definitely going down, but not right now. So for today and tomorrow, I'll trade buy. You understand? I've changed my stuff. I've changed it. I'll trade buy, and it's going to get to this very point, 1.3072, because I said it yesterday where the market will get to, and it has passed there. I said it yesterday where the market Great Britain Pound will get to. I said it last night, and Great Britain Pound has passed there. So it means Great Britain Pound is going up and it's going to hit this point, and it's definitely going to reverse. Maximum is going to hit this very point, 1.3078. It's definitely going to hit that point and it's going to reverse. So this is what I can see there. And when it reverses, it's coming down a little bit because US dollar will still want to fight. We know that for US dollar, it always like to fight, always try to prove its stand. But right now, Great Britain Pound is at its good momentum as well. So the struggle is not really balanced. Great Britain Pound has like 65% stamina right now, and US dollar have like, let's just say it's like 55% stamina, and US dollar have like 45% stamina as we speak. You get it? This is what I can call it, what is going on in the market right now. This is what I could call it. So people, I'd really like it. I really love it if you could like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll really appreciate it. And join any one of my social media platform. I'll really appreciate it as we speak. Well, from what I can see here, it's like a swing low kind of, a market style. You get it? A swing low kind of market style. That's what I call it. I'm not saying there's a specific law that said there's a market that style that they call a swing low. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying from my own point of view, this is what I call it. So let's just look at it. Let's just look at it like this. Let's look at it this way. It goes. It try to go up, pull it back down, and it's doing the same thing right now. Now, when you look at the momentum of the market, it start falling from 2017, 2018. It start falling. Now, 2018 it start falling, fell to this place, which is in favor of US dollar. Till for 1 year it fell again. Euro tried to rise. Euro, it fell down, and Euro tried to rise 2019 October, blah blah blah. It got to March 12, 2020. March 9, 2020, US dollar pick it back. It drops it. It keep galloping within this range. It went up. Euro, Great Britain pound try to prove its stand, but right now US dollar brought it down a little bit, and Great Britain pound is still trying to climb up. You get it? So right now, at this very range, at this very present range, Great Britain pound might do some little things. Some little things is not much that Great Britain pound is going to do for now. But Great Britain pound, as we speak right now, is going to hit this point. And from this point, maximum from this point, is definitely going to reverse. I've put this there since yesterday. You get it? So it's definitely going to reverse. It's going to get to this point, and it's definitely going to reverse. So this is what I see about Great Britain pound USD. So people, I really appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe on my channel, on my YouTube channel, and any of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I really appreciate it. Please trade safe, trade wise. Have a good one, and God bless us all. I'll see you in my next video any hours from now. Thank you.